In her 2017 South by Southwest keynote, researcher Brene Brown said, "A daring classroom is a place where both teachers and students commit to choosing courage over comfort, choosing what is right over what is fun, fast or easy, and practicing values rather than professing them." It is one thing to say we value innovation, and another thing to be innovative. Piloting innovation with educators is all about the latter. But you may find not everyone is ready to jump on the innovation bandwagon immediately. Evaluation that in some places reads more gotcha than a series of growth opportunities, as well as a widely perceived pendulum of initiatives and continual requests to do more with the same or fewer resources, have continued and conditioned us to be cautious as a profession overall. There may be work you have to do as a coach to nurture an environment of informed risk-taking before piloting innovation becomes a reality. Or you might be in a place where experimentation and iteration are the norm. Either way, lean into your collaborative partnerships to take innovation to whatever the next level looks like in your learning community. Explore the resources and suggested activities on the companion document, or find additional resources on your own to help you reach your goal. There's a lot there, so you may want to consider a particular learning need, such as an upcoming lesson or project with another teacher, to focus your review of the material.